Hello everybody, I just want to send a quick shout out to everybody. We had our 50th video at Kuma's Kitchen, our video recipe, the chocolate chunk cookies. And the cool thing was that not only in that week was a landmark of 50 recipe videos, but also it was the day after my birthday. So I had a great week. And I just wanted to quickly shout out to thank you to some of you who've been so supportive. Reach On, you're number one, because Reach On not only supports me on YouTube, but also supports me on Facebook page and has shared all of my videos with her friends on Facebook. And I really, really appreciate that support, Reach On. And then also Mindy's mom, who's been with me from the very first video and always gives me great feedback. Thank you very much, Mindy's mom. I really appreciate that. I'm going to read from a list for some of the other names because I will forget some names. I really don't want to leave people out, but I'm sorry, not everybody's going to get in on this list, I'm sure. Google sucks. I love the name. Yeah, that's really cool, but also you've been very supportive, and thank you very much. Mike Newton, a friend of mine who lives up in Tokyo. Sir Newton, thank you. Christian Grunendijk, who came here to Japan and had lunch with me in Osaka. That was really cool, and thank you very much. He's also been very supportive, both on YouTube and on Facebook. Firestar, thank you very much. Texan Abroad, you've given me some great ideas for some things. Florencia, thank you very much. I love some of your posts. And Kitters and Catalina. Most of you guys are on YouTube. Then I've also got a bunch of people on Facebook who've been very supportive. On Ann Nybraten, I'm not too sure whether I got that said properly or not, but thank you very much. You're very supportive. Blanco Sanchez, we have Osvaldo Casteno, Gordon Flynn, Edo Van Diest, Pirata. Pirata is actually an old friend of mine who's now living over in Toronto, and she is a patissier, very good at it, and also great feedback. So thank you very much. I'm sure I missed some other people. I'm very sorry, but really to all of you, I'm very, very appreciative of all the help that you give and all the support that you give to Kuma's Kitchen. Actually, right now, I'm not in Kuma's Kitchen. I'm over in the Bitcoin Coffee Time studio where I shoot those episodes. This is more of the business studio. Although I'm not dressed for business, this is the Japanese version of a beer shirt. This is a sake shirt, or as we say in Japan, we call it Nihon Shu. Sake covers all alcohols. So Nihon Shu, which means Japanese alcohol, is what you call sake in other countries. Anyways, thank you very much again for all your support, and look forward to seeing you in more Kuma's Kitchen recipe videos. Thank you.